וילכו 3 ימים במדבר ולא מצאו מים. Klal Yisrael walked in the desert for 3 days and they didn't find water. The pasuk says, finally they got to a place called Marah. ויבואו מרסה ולא יכלו לשתות מים ממרah, but they couldn't drink the water over there. Why? Because it was bitter. כי מרים הם. Because it was bitter. So what do? ויצעק אל השם. Moshe yelled to Hashem, ויורהו השם עץ. Kodesh Baruch Hu showed him a piece of wood. וישלך אל המים. He casted it. He threw it into the water. וימתקו המים. Suddenly the water became sweet. שם שם לו חוק. This is the law. The following passage says, כי אני השם רופאך. I am your doctor. Explains Rabbi Yechiel Abramsky, b'derech drush. What is Torah? Torah always alludes to water. Water alludes to Torah. Because Chazal darshan in Tanis Daf Zayin Amud Aleph. En mayim ela Torah, shene'emar. Hoi kol tzameh lechu lamayim, a pasuk from Yeshaya. So water alludes to Torah. They walked 3 days without Torah in the desert, without water. Finally they got to a place where there's Torah, but they couldn't drink it because it was bitter to them. They didn't have the excitement about learning Torah. It wasn't sweet in their eyes. It was bitter. What do you do then? You daven to Hashem. You yell to Him. What did HaKadosh Baruch Hu do? Vayorehu etz. Etz from the language of Eitzah. He gave them advice. A good suggestion. Yashlech el hamayim. Throw yourself into the water, into the Torah. Start learning, even though you really don't feel like it. And then you know what's going to happen. Vayimteku hamayim. It's going to become sweet. Just sit and learn. Torah will become sweet. Sham sam lochoik. This is the law. This is the law HaKadosh Baruch Hu made. The Torah becomes sweet once you sit and toil. Learn it. Then the following pasuk says, Ani Hashem rofecha. I will heal you. I will make it sweet. It will be pleasurable. Just sit and learn.